Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am on a site called Saylor.org Academy. Now, I said that I was going to bring content that can take your mindset to the next level. So this is a platform where you can take courses for free. You only pay if you need to do a proctor exam to earn transfer credits. So that is what led me to this site, is I wanted to earn transfer credits. Now, I want to show you guys that may not be looking to transfer credits for a degree, but you want to get some education and take your mindset to the next level regarding money. Then this is a school academy that can help you do that. And I want to show you guys a course in here that you could take and get a certificate in, or just take it to learn. And this is one of the courses that I am in now, and it's called Principle of Finance. Now, I work in accounting. I've been working in accounting for over 20 years. So this is what why I am working on this, working on that degree. Okay, so, but I realize that many people may not be trying to do that. For me, I started taking these classes to go toward a degree, and I noticed that there's other benefits that may be beneficial to those of you that may be watching this content on this channel about taking your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Courses in here can take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Okay, and I want to show you exactly what courses that I am utilizing to do that. Now, this course here, Principles of Finance, that I am in now, it is teaching me about stock, it's teaching me about bonds, it's teaching me about how to analyze a company. So if you're looking to invest in stock and you want to know how to understand a company's balance sheets or income statements, you want to understand them as a company, their value, then this is a course that you can take. Okay, now here it tells you we learn that firms are required to keep detailed financial records, and it's an introductory course of various fields of finance. And I'm just not going to read all of this, but just to give you an idea of what you can learn. So here is the course syllabus right here, and I'm going to bring that up. So all you simply do is sign up, you enroll, and you take the course. Again, it's free for you to take that course. The only time you have to pay is if you want it to be a transfer credit toward your degree. And that cost is only like $5. I noticed it's only $5 for that proctored exam. That's it, guys, no lie. Now, this is the syllabus. So what you're going to learn in here: introduction to finance, financial statements, and financial analysis, the time value of money. That's very good in this economy. The time value of money, future value, present value, and interest rates. Capital budgeting techniques, risk and return, corporate capital structure, cost of capital and taxes, and applying the CAPM model. Now, I'm currently on Unit 2 right now of this course, and the first unit basically went over the stocks. It went over the difference between stocks and bonds, and a whole lot of valuable information that you can benefit from if you want to invest in stocks or bonds, either one. Upon completion of this course, you will understand financial statements, cash flow, time value of money, stocks and bonds, capital budgeting, ratio analysis, and long-term financing, and apply these concepts and skills in business decisions. So if you are a business owner out there, this is a course that you may want to tap into to kind of understand what your accountant understands, okay, or should understand. It doesn't hurt to, even though you have an accountant that does this for you, it doesn't hurt to be knowledgeable in this area, and this is a free way for you to get that knowledge. Inside the course, what you're going to be doing is reading material, and then some is videos. It is and you can kind of go through it at your own pace. There's no time frame when you have to finish it, and you're going to take a test at the end, and to just get a free certificate, it's free. So in order to get the certificate, you have to earn 70% or higher on the final exam. But if you want a college credit, you must take and pass the direct credit final exam. And this exam, like I said, requires a proctor, okay? Someone to oversee you while you are taking the test. It takes about 50 hours to complete this particular course, so you can manage your time how you want for the 50 hours for this course. So please be sure to have the link in the description for Saylor.org, where you can check out the many courses that they have. Let's go back. I'm going to go back to courses, course catalog. There's courses for a lot of different things in here. If you are into computers, technology courses are in here as well. So there's Introduction to Financial Accounting, Managerial Accounting, Principles of Finance, Principles of Marketing. So if you want to learn more about marketing your business, you can learn from this course. Business statistics. There's several different courses in here that you can take that can help take your mindset to the next level to manage your businesses efficiently as you desire to. So this is a free way for you to get that. That's what I wanted to share in this video. I know I was supposed to do this 2 Mondays ago, but was a lot going on. My family had a death in the family, and then my mother was in the hospital, not doing well. So she's still in the hospital, but she's back to normal. Well, not back to normal. She's getting better, but she's still in the hospital. So the last 2 Mondays kind of have been focused other places. So doing video content was the last thing on my mind. So, but as promised, I said I was going to introduce you some content to take your mindset to the next level. I am still going to be introducing content of opportunities that I am in. I am still in opportunities. And yeah, so I'm going to be sharing some other things with you guys that I'm learning along the way by taking my mindset to the next level with reading, information that can benefit me, my business, my money, and my mindset. So if you like this content and you want to see more of it, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level.